And I love this melted hairline collection because she's melted. She's looking like a human hair lace. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video I am showing you this really cute wig. This is I want to say it's a beginner friendly wig. You can wear it glueless or you can melt her down. I'm going to show you how I melt this wig down in this video, but this is a really great lightweight synthetic summertime wig. It's like perfect. Okay, it's like perfect. I want to show y'all how I put this wig on, tell y'all my thoughts, but before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you like content like this. Let's jump into it. Hey there friends, so again this is in the style Darcy from the Melted Hairline collection. I have the color DRFF Cinnamon Mocha. Get into that Cinnamon Mocha, what y'all know about that color. Anyway, this is what the wig is looking like. Fresh out the pack, you know, you're going to get these nice soft waves. The Melted Hairline comes with a standard lace part. You're going to get some combs and an adjustable band in there so you can wear it glueless. So this is what she's looking like on my head initially. Guys, I really love this color. I buy this color all the time. Anyway, that's the hairline, and initially I was debating what I wanted to do with this wig, if I wanted to go ahead and customize her or just wear her right out the pack. So I just decided to cut the wig off camera. As you see, it's not a straight cut, and then I went in with my lace tinting spray. I like this Red by Kiss lace tinting spray. It really does match my complexion well, and it smells good too. Okay, so then I just put the wig on and I was filling her out because I was going to just try to wear her out the pack. I was trying to show y'all glueless. I was just trying to be like real simple, easy. You could do that, but I decided to go in and customize this wig just a tad. I just tweeze it up just a little bit so you can see that hairline poke through a little bit more. And I also decided that I was going to go in and melt this wig. I use my Red by Kiss lace melting spray. This is a temporary lace adhesive. I take my wigs off at night or I wear them for a day or two. This is not glue. So I'm just melting the wig because I like my hairlines to be melted. If you guys are new here, I do like that melted effect to make it look as natural as possible. But like I said, you can wear this wig glueless. And then on the sides, I do find that going in with a little bit of bowl hole liquid gold does help with those air tabs on the side from lifting. And then I'm just applying a little bit of spray on top, followed by my elastic melting band while I was applying my makeup. So my wig is melted, it is set, it is looking nice and lovely. So I'm just breaking up some of that adhesive so it's not so crusty, and I'm gonna fix that hairline with a little bit of swoops. As you see, I did that off camera, and now I'm just going to go and customize just the top a little bit. I'm making it flat with my hot comb. As you see, I'm not pulling that hot comb all the way through because I don't want to lose those waves. I'm just flattening out the top so it doesn't look so wiggy. So now we want these wigs to look as natural and scalp like as possible. So I'm going in with my lace powder. I have the color medium brown. Get the color to match your complexion. This color matches mine. I'm just trying to pop out that part to make it look as scalp like as possible. So now I'm going in with a little bit of serum. This does help with some of those snags and, you know, some of that tangledness, but this is a short wig, which I'll talk about later. And I follow it up with my wig synthetic spray. This does help with some of the tangles in the hair. Since this is a synthetic wig, it's temporary, it's not gonna last forever, but that's pretty much it. Alright my friends, so I'm back, finished putting on this wig. Let's go ahead and talk about her. So this is Miss Darcy from the Melted Hairline collection. Guys, I've been wanting to review this wig for a very long time, and it is perfect for right now. This is summertime ready hair, and I'm absolutely in love with this messy wavy bob. So let me go ahead and give you guys some specs. If you're not familiar with this collection, this is Outre's Melted Hairline collection. This is a standard, kind of look like you want to have a frontal, but you don't have a frontal wig. You're gonna get like a little bit of lace in here to make you look like you have that frontal effect, and a standard lace part. You cannot part this wig any way you like it. It comes just like this, like I showed you in the unboxing. This is a synthetic wig. I do have the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. Y'all, I absolutely love this color. I feel like this color looks great on everybody. I actually repurchased this color in Outre Kamaya a lot. I did a reel, I think I posted it. Yeah, I think I did. Outre Kamaya, check it out right here in this color right here. So check it out right there. A few claims with this collection. What it's saying is you're going to get 5 inches of deep parting space, which you do get. That 5 inches going back is pretty deep. It really is. You're going to get that soft HD transparent lace. And I love this melted hairline collection because she's melted. She's looking like a human hair lace. Okay, you're gonna get that elastic band in there. It is not adjustable. I did recently get a comment of if the bands in here are adjustable. These synthetic brands, I noticed it's just that flabby kind of adjustable band, but with this collection you can wear it glueless. It is a little bit more snug than another collection from Outre. You get a lot of pretty colors in here, and I'm definitely gonna go back and get some more colors because, like I said, this hair is summertime ready. I want to try that hazelnut mocha. There's nothing really to tell y'all about this wig. This is a get up and go wig. This wig is a loose wave wig. It is not supposed to be straight. It is not supposed to be curly. It is supposed to be exactly like this messy, shaggy bob, and I like it. I like this like effortless look, like I curled my hair. I left the house for a couple hours and my curls fell. That's exactly what this wig is looking like, but it's looking so realistic. It's not too put together. It's not too like formal. It's not too not formal. It's just a perfect like everyday kind of wig, and I really like it. I need this in a natural color. I love the layers in here. This is 14 inches, so I feel like this length is perfect for this weather right now. I don't have too much to say about this wig except get this wig. I know it didn't just come out. It came out a while ago, but it's so worth it. I really think it's worth it. I originally started filming this wig and then had to come up a couple days later because lately I just be moody, y'all. I just get real moody. So I had to come back and check her out a couple days later, and she's still looking good. She's still looking all right, and she did brighten up my mood like she always does. These wigs brighten up my mood. I'm getting slight shedding with this, but it's not too much shedding. As far as tangling, because of this length, y'all, come on now. What are we tangling and doing? We ain't tangling and doing much. So I'm really starting to like these short wigs. I really am. When it comes to synthetic and this length, you can't go wrong. The texture is kind of more of like a really light, yucky silk wig, but it's not too thick, it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's a really good density. It just feels really, it feels really good. It feels good to me. It's not too textured for, you know, too much heat. It's really lightweight. The cap, you can scratch your scalp with it. It's a breathable mesh cap. You guys did see, I did go off camera and kind of customize the final touches to this wig. As far as the install goes, guys, I went in with my Red by Kiss spray. I actually really like this spray, y'all. Like, I like the fact that it doesn't leave too much residue. This is a really good melting spray if you're interested. And I touched it up with this melting lace spray because, you know, other companies had both of these options, so I'm trying to give y'all other options from this company. Okay, but I like this melting spray as well. This is the ultimate hold one, and I like it for the final touches after you match the lace to your complexion. You can't go wrong. This lace tinting spray is actually becoming one of my favorites, y'all, because I notice I don't have to really go in after I apply this lace tint spray and tweak the lace some more, if that makes sense. Like, it's really matched to my complexion. So get the actual products to match your complexion and you should be good. Wigs like this, I don't want to say it's totally beginner friendly, only because I feel like it's kind of in between beginner and pro, because you really have to kind of tweak it a little bit. So it's like intermittent to me. You could put it on glueless, you know, but I like to melt my wigs. So it's like, once you match your lace, you're fine. Like, once you match your lace and customize it a little bit with the hot comb and a little bit of synthetic wig spray or whatever, it's fine. But wigs like this, when you guys get these synthetic wigs, just remember that as much as they're kind of beginner friendly, they're kind of more like beginner, kind of slightly intermittent. And I say that because you're going to have to do some things, a little bit of things, like match your lace with lace tint spray or powder or makeup. Just match the lace. And you also sometimes have to tweeze the front to make it look a little bit more high-end if you want. But you can wear it out the pack if you could do whatever you want to do. But if you notice, I did go in with a hot comb. I went in with a hot comb to customize it a little bit, to make it look a little bit more natural and realistic. I didn't just take this wig out the pack and put her on my head. So keep that in mind when you guys get these wigs. They're under $40, but you got to put a little bit of work into it. But I think it's a good buy for a synthetic wig. It's really cute, in my opinion. I will have this wig linked down below from my Amazon storefront. Amazon is getting a little bit better with their prices when it comes to wigs. And if you guys don't know, it does kind of help your people reviewing these wigs out. That's why we link our links below. That is my affiliate link, and it does kind of help me out so I can pour back into this channel. So I'll leave my links below, but feel free to shop wherever you like. If you need some wig essentials, wig melting band, wig spray, hot comb, anything you need that you've seen in this video, I always have it linked below under my wig essentials list. Everything is always linked below. Okay, y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I think she's a winner. Give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.